In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bookmap for free in 2026. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the official Bookmap website and create a free account. This gives you access to the user portal where you can manage your license and download the platform. Once your account is set up, download the correct version of Bookmap for your computer, whether you're using Windows or macOS, and complete the installation. After that, launch Bookmap and sign in using the free license key available in your Bookmap user portal. This is what activates your installation and lets you start using the platform. If you're new to Bookmap, choose the free digital plan. This option is designed for beginners and gives you limited access to the software without needing a paid subscription. It's a good way to get familiar with the interface and core tools before spending any money. To actually use Bookmap for free, the easiest route is usually to connect to one of the supported free crypto market data sources inside the platform. Many crypto exchanges provide real-time data at no cost, which makes them the most accessible option for free usage. Depending on what Bookmap or its integrated data providers are offering at the time, you may also see a free trial for live market data. If that's available, go ahead and activate it, since trial offers can expand what you're able to view temporarily. Next, open the Connections menu and go to Configure. From there, choose your data provider. If that provider requires credentials, enter the required details, then connect to the market you want to access. Once the connection is active, add the trading symbol you want to view and give Bookmap a moment to load the data. Depending on the provider and the market, this can take a few seconds. If you don't currently have access to live data, you can still get value from Bookmap by using replay mode if it's available under your plan. This allows you to work with previously recorded sessions so you can practice reading order flow and learn how the platform behaves even without a live feed. For many newer users, this is still a useful way to build familiarity and develop chart reading skills. One important thing to keep in mind is that free access usually comes with limitations. If later on you want access to broader features or markets like futures or US equities, you'll need to upgrade to a paid Bookmap subscription and use a compatible data feed. That's the full process for getting started with Bookmap for free and making the most of the options available.